Just going to record a quick video to show how the 3D printed Vader 3 Pro accent rings are different to the regular stock Vader 3 Pro accent rings and if they affect controller circularity or not. So here is my Vader 3 Pro currently with the stock blue accent rings on. We're going to run a circularity test on Gamepad Tester. So just so you can see, I'm going to enable the circularity and then I'm going to use game controls. And we can see on the left stick, if we move our way around, we've got an error of 7.1%. That's not actually that bad. It looks worse and sounds worse than it actually is. So, and 10.2 on the right stick there. So I've made a video previously about how to remove the accent rings. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that again here. So 7.1, 10.2. So I'm just going to apply a small amount of pressure on the underside using a screwdriver just to sort of lever them out. That's the left one out and the right one is now also out. And then apply the rings in the same way that I took them out. You just put one of the notches in place and then push the ring down and it snaps into place using a nice interference fit. So that's one in. And the second one is now in and we now have a nice looking orange controller. So let's come down to where we need to be. But first of all, we have to reconfigure the controller, recalibrate it. So we'll do start, select and up. Eventually the red light comes on and we're just going to move the sticks around one way, the other, just making sure we hit everything. This one way, then the other. And just do the triggers as well. And then once we've done those, we'll do the same button combination, start, select and up. The light will disappear and we're now ready to run the test with the calibrated controller. So we will test circularity. Go back to use game controls. So we have 6.4 on one and 8 on the other. So actually better results from a calibration. You could probably get those same results if I'd calibrated the controller again recently, but it seems to work very well.